What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So for those of you who haven't picked up what I showed you in the first clip, it's actually this bottom section of my door here. That piece. I finally found a replacement. I wrecked mine back in December of 2017, as you can see there. I sold my first set of wheels. I was gonna get the Aussies that I had before these. And I had the car up on the scissor lift, the normal VW scissor lift. I had the car up on the lift, and as I was about, the car on that side was on the trestle and this side was on the lift. And as I was about to put the wheel on, it pushed the entire car over. I was still living with my parents back then, or I was still working for my parents back then. So it pushed the whole rear end of the car over, and the whole car fell on the underside of the car, and I messed up the plates here at the bottom of the brakes. You can actually see that it's slightly bent. It's not the end of the world, at least nothing else got damaged. Other than that, I have been looking for a replacement part. New, they are, if I remember correctly, about 3,000 rand new, so that was basically out of the question for me. I finally found one. The only problem with it was, as you guys would have seen, is that they broke the clips on it trying to remove it. About 3 tabs got broken. This one is kinda broken. So what I'll be doing today is I'm gonna first clean this up. Let me just show you guys the front section of it. So as you can see, it's in perfect condition. I just need to clean it up. Obviously I'll put the plastic coating on this as well to match the plastics on my car, but I'm gonna clean this up. And then I'm gonna see if I can plastic weld and glue this into place, and then I'll be removing mine, and hopefully on mine I don't break too many tabs, so that if the install on that one goes wrong, I can always put this one back on my car. So I've got this all cleaned up. Next up, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to see which clip goes where. So I'm going to plastic weld the clips on here, and then I'm going to have to take this double-sided tape off, the double-sided tape, and get that replaced. This is what holds it to the door, or flush to the door I should say. But let's start off with plastic welding these clips with a soldering iron. I'm done with the plastic welding, and it currently looks like this. As you can see, what I do is I heat up the plastic on both ends and kinda form them as one. I'm not sure that this is the best way to keep the clips intact. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using a strong glue, the glue that I use for the tile lettering actually, and I'll be gluing it all over the seam on the inside and the outside of all these clips. I finally got all the tabs plastic welded and glued in. I'm pretty sure that's about as sturdy as I'll be able to get them. Next up, I need to put double-sided tape on the edges, but I don't have double-sided tape, so I'm quickly gonna run to the local hardware store and get the double-sided tape. So to remove the old trimming, there's gonna be 3 T15 screws that I need to take out, and then I can pull it off. As you can see, the jack did quite a bit of damage to the door when it fell. I noticed that up here a long time ago, but this is actually the first time that I'm seeing it like this. So I got the door clean. You'll be able to see the damage better now that the jack did back in the day. Jack did back in the day. Anyways, next step would be to replace all the hardware from the old panel onto the new panel, and then I'm gonna put the tape that I bought and I'll be ready to stick it on. Hopefully everything goes well. Finally ready to install the new piece. I'm not too sure what to expect. So just like that, after 15 months I finally got that panel replaced. I'm so extremely happy to not have the 2 holes in the door panel anymore. This is what you can see from the inside that I showed you guys earlier. You can see there that it's dented. So it's not the end of the world that when you're getting in and out of the car you can't even see it unless you get your head down low that far. Anyways, for those of you who's been waiting for an update on the Polo, the turbo is still with the turbo builder. I'm having quite a bit of work done to it, just making sure that everything is perfectly fine. But once I get the turbo back and I explain to you guys exactly what happened and why it happened, you guys would surely understand why it's taking such a long time to get it fixed. So it should be done, I'm guessing, pretty soon. I was actually expecting it last week, and then we saw some more damage that needed to be sorted out, so we're taking our time making sure that it's 100% ready when I put it back. So I'm hoping to get it back. I doubt this week. I haven't heard anything from him this week yet, so hopefully next week. I don't know. As you guys can see, I'm very busy with work, so I'm not too phased about that car at the moment. It's sitting at my parents' house. I still need to do the injectors when I have the funds available, so the longer it stands, the better it suits me. Anyways, that's gonna be it for this video, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out and reflect your passion.